My mind is potty in her hands. With her face she gives commands, and try as I might to look away from her face, my eyes won't stray. And as I stare at her lips, the power's at her fingertips. But she'd say, why should I love you? You're just a soul to my heart. And why should I miss your friendship since all that wasn't mine? More frustration does arise as I gaze into her eyes. But in her eyes I see only bars. She doesn't care what comes to pass. And as she pours holes through my heart, I find I'm falling apart. But she'd say, who are you? Are you that little speck of dirt? And I couldn't care less if you dropped off the face of the earth, descending slowly into the abyss, pervasive feeling devouring my brain. The one-way trip to lost deep hell, from where I don't know if I'll ever return. The helpless pawn in a trivial game, toying with me like a mouse. I want to grant her every whim, with which she'll do as she please. And I keep coming back time and time again, utterly falling down with no end, being crushed in from every side. This me to you that's of despair, and all I live for given to her, may as well not be there to get herself